Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week, and we'll be going over the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. We're currently down 30 basis points on the 1-hour chart. What we have here is we're in negative MACD territory, seeing slight signs of it converging this morning. And we are off of the lows or oversold RSI. If we expand that further onto the 4-hour chart, what we have here is we breach below the 200 moving average, this green line, so that now act as our resistance to the upside, and that is around a price of $58.51. As for the 4-hour MACD, we have approached to negative territory, and if we expand that onto the daily chart, what we have here is on the daily MACD, we slowly approach to negative MACD territory, and also we breach below the 50-day moving average, this yellow line. So if we do manage to close slightly below this moving average today, that'll act as our resistance in the next coming days. So as for the 9 and 18-day moving averages, we see the 9-day moving average starting to converge above the 18-day moving average, so the momentum to the upside is still intact. As for the trade idea of the week, my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my entry will be $54.38. That is this range right here, which coincides with previous resistance levels, and since we're above resistance, that now act as our support. As for my sell target, that will be $60.60, and my stop loss will be $52.28. On the other hand, if we were to open a short position, my entry will be $62.30, which is this range right here where we encountered previous resistance levels that dated back to July 27th as well as August 18th. And my sell target for my short will be $56.65, and my stop loss will be $64.10. So how did I develop these trade ideas? These ideas come from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 43% chance for gold miners to climb higher between 0 to 7%, and a 14% chance for it to climb between 7% to 14%. On the other hand, to the downside, we have a 14% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 7%, and on the extreme case, to the downside, a 29% chance to fall between negative 7% to negative 14%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.